So we made it to Scotland to the hotel. We are now headed out for dinner. Love these old lamps out here. So I haven't looked up the history of Edinburgh, Scotland, but lots of old buildings. I'll show you around. You can see that these buildings are super old as well. Huge windows. No air conditioning in England or Scotland, and none needed. So you only have heat. So you just raise your windows, ladies and gentlemen, you raise your windows. So all these buildings look old too in Scotland. That's what I love about England and I guess Scotland too, because they don't take down all of their old buildings. But I want to give you kind of a look here down the street. If you can just imagine how many people are here today, how many people were here way back when, in these rows and rows of homes. Just crazy. So we are headed to a dinner. It's going to take us down through this park. It's about 9 o'clock p.m. So that might be, you think when it's 9 o'clock here, it's still like England. It's probably 7 hours. Texas is ahead 7 and Florida's 8. I mean 6. Their parks are all natural. Look at these beautiful wildflowers. And these are some of my favorites. Don't know what they are, but I saw these all along the roadside all the way up here. She's doing a good job though. Look at her. Would y'all do that? Four stories high. I just wonder if there are different levels of apartments there. If you get all 4 stories on one, I'm thinking you probably just get, don't you think you just get a level? You don't get like all 4 stories. Up the rows and rows and rows. Here's a thrift store. So here's a thrift store in walking distance. Look at this. We're gonna have to get here tomorrow for sure. I don't know if this is the one we passed earlier. Lots of teacups. We're already shopping when it's really we're supposed to be going to dinner. I tell you, don't show me a thrift store. Do not show me. What is this right here? So 10 to 5, we'll have to go in here. This isn't the one we passed, is it? Well, they have sterling silver. Sterling silver. They do have it. Look at that. We're gonna window shop in the evening. We can't shop right now. That's pretty. It's really pretty. I can't wait to see these items in here and see how much they are. Window shopping in Scotland already. Look at this. Looks like some jade maybe. And then look at this piece right here. What is that? That's gorgeous too. I am definitely gonna have to come in here for sure. When we were driving here to the hotel, this street has quite a few thrift stores or charity shops. I'm so sorry, we don't call them thrift in Europe. So we are looking for places to eat. This place is not open right now. I do love their signage though. But yeah, all down the street when we were driving up here, there were about 4 or 5 charity shops. But all the buildings look the same. Now the houses don't. We did see some houses when we were looking for a parking spot. You have to park on the street. The hotel does not have parking. You have to walk probably half a mile away, park on the street, and pay for 24 hours at a time, or 9 hours at a time. So I think I'm gonna have this right here, y'all. The grown-ups cottage pie. We're gonna see. Sounds good. That is what we're gonna have. We'll see y'all later. Well, no, we'll wait and see how it looks. How about that? So I'll wait on the food and show y'all what it looks like, because I've never had that before. There's also something else here. It's not the blood pudding. That might be England. There's something else here I'd like to try while I'm here, and I forget what it's. Haggis. Haggis. If y'all have ever had that, let me know in the comments below or look it up. But I may have that while I'm here also, not tonight, but another night or another day. So I'll wait and show y'all what the food looks like, and then I'll upload this video. Like the style of lights. So here's your cottage pie, salad. Tim's food, he's gonna eat super healthy. What is that, bang bang chicken? Let's open this up and see what it looks like. And we'll see y'all later. Bye.